the largest camera improvement in the incoming iPhone May 15 have a catch. The iPhone 15 series is expected to get a number of noteworthy updates, including one for the cameras. An intriguing feature is also planned for the Pro models. A normal iPhone 15 won't be left behind and may end up with a 48-megapixels primary snapper that is only available to professionals. Now that this has been leaked once more, renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has suggested that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will feature primary cameras with 48 megapixels, an upgrade from the non-Pro model's 12-megapixel configuration. If you recall, Apple introduced this last year, but it was only available for the iPhone 14 Pro models. And if the recently resurfaced rumor is accurate, the iPhone 15 will include a new stacked CMOS picture sensor that is believed to capture more light and produce brighter, more detailed photographs. This may be feasible, according to speculation, as a result of Sony's efforts to increase CIS manufacturing for Apple by between 100 and 120%. High-end Android phone supply may decline as a result. A hybrid lens with one glass element, 6 plastic elements, and an aperture of approximately 1.7 is also most likely to be included in the iPhone 15. This lens is reported to be able to capture up to 20% more light. Although there could be a decrease from the f/1.5 aperture of the iPhone 14. However, you should be aware that this may not always be possible since a RAW picture is rather huge and might take up a lot of space on your iPhone. The introduction of a 48 megapixels camera could be spectacular for the less costly iPhones that will be able to capture more detailed photographs. However, it would be positive to see Apple extend its Pro capabilities to non-Pro models. In addition, Dynamic Island is anticipated to be a part of the whole iPhone 15 range, and a USB Type-C connector might be included to all iPhones in 2023. Improvements in battery life, performance, and design are all probable. Although the iPhone 15 series is anticipated to launch in September, there is a chance that it may be delayed since this is just a rumor at this point. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.